You're listening to Where Technology Meets Science by Absalon. And this is Pharma Brief, your monthly update on the latest in drug development, regulatory shifts, and the groundbreaking tech transforming the pharmaceutical industry. Just a quick note before we start. This audio is AI generated, using the voice of Nat, the host of the podcast. Today, we're covering exciting advances as pharma accelerates its AI journey, including the FDA's planned rollout of generative AI across all centers, new standards for context-aware AI, and pharma's growing use of autonomous agents in clinical operations and medical writing. First up, the FDA is preparing to deploy generative AI across all centers by June 30th, 2025, following a successful pilot demonstrating major time savings in scientific reviews. This rollout will enable automation of repetitive tasks and speed up therapy evaluations on a unified, secure platform tailored to each center's needs. The agency also recently launched Elsa, a generative AI tool designed to streamline reviews, inspections, and data tasks, helping to modernize workflows with faster protocol evaluations and adverse event summaries. Pharma companies are experimenting with autonomous agents, particularly in complex areas like clinical trial operations and medical writing. A recent report by BCG and BCG Platinian highlights these trends and introduces Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, MCP, as a new open standard for building rich context AI apps, essential for advancing context-aware AI adoption. On the biotech front, Benchling is integrating Claude into its R&D platform via Amazon Bedrock, automating routine tasks and making data management smarter. Early results show up to 2 weeks saved on tasks like data entry and scientific querying, improving experiment reproducibility and speeding insights. If you missed the AWS Life Sciences Symposium in New York, don't worry. We've got a recap of the keynote and key industry takeaways. Over 1,000 life sciences leaders gathered to share lessons learned and best practices for building agentic AI systems, proving that generative AI is already here and shaping the future. Finally, the FDA is inviting public comment on the CDISC Dataset-JSON standard, which could revolutionize how electronic study data submissions are exchanged, potentially replacing the legacy SAS XPT format. Comments are open until June 9th, 2025. Let's move to this month's editor's pick. We highlight a collaboration between Novo Nordisk and Microsoft on interpretable machine learning with proteomics to improve cardiovascular disease risk prediction. Using UK Biobank data, their explainable boosting machine model outperforms traditional clinical scores and other ML approaches, offering personalized insights into individual risk factors and paving the way for more precise cardiovascular health management. Now, time for a knowledge pill. Don't miss the free intermediate level course. MCP, Build Rich Context AI Apps with Anthropic, launched by Andrew Eng and Anthropic via Deep Learning AI. Complete with code examples and deployment tips for AI-powered healthcare developers. Also, check out the Presenting ANCA, From Idea to Clinical Impact session from Shiny Gatherings x Pharmaverse, where creators Valentin Legras, Jana Spinner, Gerardo Rodriguez, and Mateusz Kołomanski showcase this tool for simplifying non-compartmental analysis with live demos and practical tips. In open source highlights this month, Mutest is a mutation testing tool for R that helps improve test coverage by introducing small code changes to verify robustness. Mergen leverages AI to convert your data questions into executable code with clear explanations and self-correcting outputs, perfect for intuitive omics analysis without deep coding. GPT Studio and GPT tools assist our developers in integrating LLMs transparently and ethically into workflows. Cusco offers lightweight computer vision assistant functions in R, interacting with local LLMs to support classification, recognition, sentiment analysis, text extraction, and alt text generation. Cheetah R by Syncra delivers blazing fast interactive tables for R, capable of rendering millions of rows in milliseconds, a powerful alternative to Reactable and DT, ideal for large datasets and shiny apps. Mark your calendars for upcoming events. AI and SAMD in healthcare, from compliance to patient-centered innovation, June 18th, virtual. Fuse single-day event, June 21st, Hyderabad, India. COSA Spotlight, Q2 2025. June 24, virtual. Value-driven clinical data review, together. June 26th, virtual. One-day PSI Fuse. Event, change management for moving to R open source. July 3rd, Cambridge, UK. PSI webinar. iRise Consortium methodology and first results. July 24th, virtual. And an open call for papers, R Pharma. 2025 submissions are due by Monday, June 30th. That's all the news for today. Thanks for tuning in to Pharma Brief. If you liked this episode, subscribe to the podcast. We'll be back soon with more updates and interviews with industry leaders like you. This episode was prepared by Aga Rasinska, Head of Customer Success at Epsilon, and read by an AI-generated voice. Until next time.